Okay, so I'm making this video really quick to help those of you out there who are having issues with your headlights. Basically, this is an 09 R1 and the headlights would come on intermittently until they eventually got to the point where they stopped coming on. There's multiple recommendations like replacing the headlight relay, which I did do, checking your bulbs, or if you have HIDs, check the ballast. So you should go through all those steps and make sure that your charging system is working, your battery's good, relay's good, headlights are good, all of that. Once you've completed those, or even if you just want to check this just in case, check this connector on the right side. So if you're looking at the bike on this side, there's this white, or sorry, not white, but clear connector right here. And the red wire with a yellow stripe in it, I believe sends power to the headlights. Regardless, this is the wire that was screwed up. Let me move this so you can see a bit. See how it's all burnt up? It was completely burnt. You can see it through on there, the corrosion, and same with the other side. And if you look at the connectors themselves, it actually doesn't look too terrible. But regardless, that was the issue. Unpinning it was a pain in the ass because obviously the housing was melted, so it just made it really difficult. But to test it, I just ran this wire to connect them just temporarily. I'm gonna obviously solder a new wire here and then put some butt connectors in, that way it can have contact without replacing this connector. But the results are functioning headlights. That was the issue in my case. I know another guy, when I used to work at a motorcycle shop, he had issues with his 09 R1 headlights failing, and he basically did the same thing I did, replace the rectifier and all that, or I'm sorry, the relay, but it didn't fix it. So I don't know if this was his issue in particular, but this was mine. And also an FYI, just because I forgot to mention it, just so you know the locations of things, turn signal relay and headlight relay are under the windscreen right here. Fuses, check the fuses, I forgot to mention that, that's under the seat. Check your battery, which is also under the seat. Here's your rectifier, then stators on the other side, get those both checked out. And that should be it. Just want to let you guys know where everything's at, just in case you're not totally sure. Even some people were commenting on the ECU being bad, but that obviously wasn't the case. So either way, guys, hopefully this helps you out.